Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. New here, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name is Maureen Achu. I'm a food, family, lifestyle, fashion content blogger, and I live in the UK. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video, guys. This is a continuation of the last vlog. Yeah, so guys, a few weeks ago during the festive period, you guys, we posted a video on some of the things that I got, and this is the continuation of that video, and I felt like, why not? If not, we're still gonna post it because we actually filmed it. So yeah, this guys, one of the things I've told myself this year is that we ain't losing any content, like we ain't wasting any content. As long as we filmed it, as long as we think it's okay, then we're gonna post it. And yeah, so this is the continuation. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please be a part of this amazing family. I'll show you guys, and I'll put a link to all of the things I got, especially the ones I got online, and then the other ones I got in the store. I could just put it on my description. And yeah, let's do this unboxing. So for my boys, I got this cute suits from Amazon, and it is so beautiful. They've tried it, it looks so good on them. And to be honest, I'm not tired of blue suits. I feel like my kids have blue suits, but I'm not tired of still getting something. This one is a bit different, something else for them. So this is Obi's, and they both came with ties. Look at this, guys. Look at these. Look at these. I love. So this is for Obi, and this one is for KK. And I'm gonna put a picture of how they look on this suit. I can't even wait to take very beautiful pictures of how they look and definitely show you guys. So guys, we got this from Shein, and this one is from Temu, and we're gonna unbox all of this night. You really have to be patient. Right. Okay guys, so before we unbox those, let me show you guys this cute outfit we got from Amazon. I got this outfit from Amazon for Kaima, and I have opened it to see what it is like on her. Initially I was thinking that it was short, that she might, I wanted something very long. Like, I'm very in love with the long kids bow gowns like this, but immediately Kaima saw this, Kaima really liked it, and she tried it, and it was perfect. So yeah, this is her Christmas dress. So she's got two more other clothes from Shein, so I'm not sure those dresses have come, but so I got this cute shoes, super cute. I'll put a link for you guys to see. I totally love it. So I got myself some eyelashes, and I can't even wait to use them. This cute dress, look at that. Oh my goodness. So this is exactly what this looks like. Super cute. I'm gonna post, just watch out for my videos on Instagram and on my shorts. You're gonna see what this lovely dress looks like. It is really long, and I love so much. I can't wait to style them. Okay, next is this beautiful dress. Next is this beautiful red dress from Shein. Wow. So guys, where I'm sitting is so tight, like it's not doing justice to this cute outfits. Oh my god, where I'm sitting is not doing justice to this cute beautiful outfit. But anyways guys, by the time I style it, you guys will get to see it. So guys, next is this cute beautiful dress from Shein again. And you guys, I think there's a mistake somewhere here, because I ordered for this in green and I'm seeing it again in this color. So I definitely have to return one, because I never thought I ordered for two things. So I'll definitely have to return one. Where is the first one? Ordered two different colors. So I'm definitely going to return one of it and pick the best one. Which color do you guys think I should go for? I'm gonna try this and insert it on this side for you guys to also, you know, pick for me. Which color do you think I should just decide on? And I'll definitely return one because I don't think I want to have these two same kind of dress in my wardrobe. I don't think it's something I want to do. So guys, next is this cute red dress. This should be a problem because why am I getting red dresses and same kind of dresses? Anyways, let's see what is here. Okay, this is totally different. This is totally different. I'm gonna insert what this actually looks like when I saw it and what I'm getting, what I ordered versus what I'm getting. I'm gonna put that for you guys to see. Okay, this cute outfit. This is a super cute bag I got from Shein and I am loving it so much. Like, I haven't even seen it, but I just love the color because this is totally different from I've never had any of this kind of color, and I've not really had this kind of color. Guys, if you know this bag is like, it used to be old-fashioned. If you remember that our mothers used to have something like this but bigger, but now the fashion is back. So this is super cute. And this is the belts. So I'm gonna fix it and I'm gonna rock this bag. Like, this is gold. And it suits my skin color, it suits my jewelries because I've got lots of jewelries in this gold color and I can't even wait. I can't wait. Next one is this. So let's see this. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this orange. So for me, I went for things that, you know, I hardly see around when I go to the stores. You guys, I'm a window shopper. I go to the stores a lot, and there are some colors that you hardly find in the stores. Rather, you find them online. So I went for things I know I hardly find in the stores. So I've got a trouser like this exactly this color, and I'm so excited that when I saw this, I said to myself I was going to buy it. And you guys, look at that. And size 40. So anytime I want to buy shoes online, I always go for size 40. I'm a 39 and a small 40, but I always go for 40 because I've had instances where I buy shoes online and once it's 39, most of them are very tight. I have to, you know, I don't enjoy that shoes, so I'll prefer it's a bit bigger when it comes to sandals like this, because even if it's a bit bigger, it doesn't matter, I can still rock it. But if it's tight, I'll feel very uncomfortable. I won't use it the way I ought to have used it. And so every time I'm shopping online for shoes, I just go for at least half size bigger than what I usually use, or a one size bigger. So yeah, you guys, what do you guys think about this? This is so cute. So look at this cute purse. So the truth is that when I saw this, I never thought it would be this small. I'm surprised to see this looking really small. I actually thought it was a big bag, and I actually bought it because of this orange shoes. But you guys, look at what I'm getting. Look at what I'm getting. You know, see what I'm getting. I thought it was something big. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you just imagine this? Is this for Kaima or for me? Oh my goodness. But anyways, this goes very well with my shoes, and we're gonna rock it. We're gonna rock it. We're gonna rock it. And look at this. This looks like something I'm going to really love so much, and I'm going to make very good use of. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a silver bag, and this is something that I have really longed to have, you know, and it's something that I've searched for a lot. And most of the silver, you know, purses or bags that I see in the shops, I don't like them. And when I saw this on Shein, I said to myself I was going to buy it. And you guys, look at that. Look at that. My perfect size. I love the size. I love the shape. I love the fact that, look at, this rope looks a little bit smaller, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. I'm so in love. I'm so in love with this. I'm so in love with this. Okay, so, and I've got a silver shoe, so this is perfect, like perfect for me. So what is this now? What is this? What is this? I actually ordered for this thing, but let's see what this is, because I can't even wrap my head around what this should be. You know how you order for things and you've practically forgotten the things that you ordered for until you see them. Oh, glasses, guys. Glasses. Why didn't it come in a case? You guys know that Shein has one of the most affordable glasses, so it will be difficult for them to put it in a case because they're selling it to you at a very affordable rate, and you still expect them to put it in a case. Like, oh, it's giving fine girl, it's giving fine woman, it's giving fine auntie, it's giving beautiful, it's giving sensational, it's giving phenomenal. Guys, I love this so much. I love this, and I'm gonna rock this Christmas and all through the new year. I love this a lot, and this is like, this is gonna be, I think, the best glasses I've had so far. I just love the fact that, okay, it's not sunshade, so it's something I can wear all the time, anywhere, at any time. It doesn't necessarily have to be sunny for me to wear it. I could just wear it even, you know, during this winter. Is another shoe. Another shoe. Oh, look at this. What is wrong with me with red this period? What is wrong with me with red? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. God, you guys, I love this so much. So much. You guys know that it is totally different to dress in sandals and to dress in shoes. Is totally a different thing. It gives different looks, different vibes, and that was exactly what I wanted. I just wanted to have that, you know, different vibes. Like you're wearing sandals for a different outfit, you're wearing a shoe for a different outfit, and that's the reason why I got a red sandals and a red shoe. I also got one other red one also from Primark that I also like very much. I actually got that one on sales. Next thing is this beautiful pink dress. This cute pink dress. Guys, some of these dresses, you see them online and you're like, I want this, I want this, I want this. If not for big tummy, why will I not be rocking all these bodycon dresses? Guys, I love bodycon dresses a lot. I just love the fact that they're, you know, really fitted, and, you know, they cling onto the body. But, you know, if not for big belly, why will I not be rocking bodycon all the time? Look at that now, you guys, look at this now. Okay, so I'm gonna style this and show you guys what it actually looks like. So guys, the next are nails. So I always love to buy nails. Because I do more of stick on. I feel like it's really expensive to go out there and spend £30, £35, £40 on nails. So I prefer my stick on. And yeah, I got some nails, and this should be glasses also. Talk to me. Yeah. What are you saying? What are you saying? You guys, check me out now. Hey, check how fine girl now. No pimples. Hey, God, I'm in love. I'm in love. What do you guys think about these cute sunglasses? And it's so funny how these things are so cheap. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I love these glasses a lot. I love these glasses a lot. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, look at it's giving all my ring light. Showing everything. Oh, I love this so much. I love the fact that it has the little towel to clean whenever it's dirty. Okay, so I'll keep over there. So that's that. So let's go to the next unboxing, which is the things I got from Temu. I got this thing again. Like, I've got from Temu like a week now and I haven't unboxed, and I said to myself, okay, let me just wait when these ones come and I'll do everything at once, because you guys, it's not easy to edit videos. I can't unbox today and show you guys and then make another video. And so yeah, let's unbox this from Temu. So these are mostly the things I got for as gift presents for families and friends. And yeah, let's unbox. So this is a bed sheet. This is a bed sheet, like the king size bed sheet. I'm going to put a link and I'll put the picture what I saw on Temu that I love so much. This is for about, I think, 20 or 22 pounds thereabout. I want to give this as a gift present to some people that I want to gift to. So this is super cute, you guys. Just check out the material. Check out the material. I'm going to put a picture and a link if you want to buy. And then the next one is also a bed sheet and 2 pillowcases. I'm also going to give this as a gift. Okay, so this is my makeup stand I got from Temu. I'm going to put the picture for you guys to see what it looks like. And I don't know what this is, to be honest. I'm still guessing it should be part of the makeup set, but yeah, let's see what it is. So this is also another makeup set which I'm going to put. These are really very affordable. I'm going to put my makeups in them. This is super cheap. I got this from Temu. I don't know if it's the same thing. In fact, I don't know. I'm going to look at the picture from what I ordered to know if these are 2 different things or if they're the same thing. I don't know, to be honest. But yeah, you guys, this is basically all about the things I ordered. I think Kaima's clothes, because we ordered 2 more dresses for Kaima from Shein. They're gonna come. And then the boys' shoes. And then have I showed you guys Kaima's shoes? We got a red cute beautiful shoes for her from Amazon also. I'm going to show those shoes and put a link for you guys to also see. And you guys, yeah, I think that is it about my Christmas shopping. If there's anything else I think I want to show you guys, I'll definitely do. Of course, I showed you guys the Christmas jumpers which we've already got, and we've already attended our Igbo day, and that is that, you know. I'm going to end this vlog here, and in the next vlog you guys will see more unboxing. And yeah,